Capricorn, Capricorn, Capricorn. Welcome po sa Scorp's Work Tarot. Another reading, January 18. January 18, New Moon. New Moon reading po tayo. So, ang message ng New Moon is setting long-term goal. Yep. So, in preparation for 2026, iset na natin yung ating long-term goal po. At taking responsibility kung ano man yung ating decision, we need to own that. Yeah? Walang tama, walang mali. Pero may repercussion po yung ating decisions in life. Yes? So, prepare for new growth at yung opportunities, babagsak, mabilis. Babagsak na ng mabilis. There will be for 2026. So, year of the fire horse po ang 2026. Yes? Okay. So, Capricorn, game na tayo. Hardworking earth sign people. Capricorn, what you need to know. What you need to know, Capricorn. Bigyan natin ng good reading. Kwentuhan po tayo, fellow OFW. Ingat, ingat tayo. Kape-kape tayo. Capricorn, January 18, New Moon reading. Give me one card, yeah? Okay. 7 of 1. Ipaglaban ang paniniwala, yes? Yung measure noong yung ating magic wand, yeah? Yung ace of wand mo, yes? Keep that fire of passion and inspiration active, yes? Hindi tayo makikilaban or to stand up on what we believe in kung hindi yung ating paniniwala strong or hindi tayo passionate dun sa ginagawa natin. Yes? So, kaya tayo nakikipagtalo minsan kasi alam natin na that's the best way. Yes? It may not be the best way for other people, pero we just want to share and to speak out yung ating nararamdaman dun sa sitwasyon na nangyayari. Yeah? Sa mga kamag-anak, office mate, kaibigan. Yes. So that's how it is. So be prepared, okay? Long-term goal, if you want to take more responsibility, yeah, you need to own that. Yes. So mahirap yung kapag halimbawang nakipagtalo ka, sabi, oh sige, susundin ka namin, and then later on, iiwanan mo. Yeah, that's not how it is. So for 2026, yun ang meaning ng new moon, okay? Hindi tayo makikipagtalo and then later on, so magba-back out ka. Yeah? Take ownership. Long-term goal po yan. At saka, that's how we gonna get that growth and opportunities. Yes? So, kung makipagtalo ka sa boss mo, hindi, tama ako, ganito yan. Oh, okay, sige, sundin ka namin. Sundin ka namin, Capricorn. Tapos, bigla ka magba-back out. Yeah, well, no, there's no growth for that. So, ituloy natin. Let's see. One more card. Capricorn, Capricorn. What Capricorn needs to know? Bigyan natin ng magandang reading. Oops. Hindi siya yan. Okay. Give me one card. Yeah? Oh, see? Pinaglalaban mo yung pag-ibig o naghahanap ka or new opportunity in terms of marriage. Gusto mo na magpakasal? Yes? Go for it. Plan that. Set mo yan. Long-term goal. Yes? Kung ipinaglalaban mo yung relationship mo at hindi gusto ng biyanan mo yung napangasawa mo, and then, yeah, plan that one. Take responsibility. Okay? Sa naghahanap ng relationship, you're gonna get that. Ano din yan? Yung 7 of 1, ito yung tipong nanliligaw. Yeah? You want to convince your future parent-in-law na you deserve their daughter or their son. Yes? Okay yan. That's how it is. That's how we plan our long-term goal. Strategy yan eh. Strategy yan. Okay. So, ituloy natin. Capricorn, what Capricorn needs to know. Okay? 7 of Cups. Choices. Yeah? Naguluhan. Minsan illusion yan. Yes? Okay, I see the 7 of Wands here. Connected to, nasa pagitan, nasa side siya ng Ace of Cups. And then you have Seven of Cups here, which is illusion. Okay. Okay, warning. Okay. Ito yung napipick up ko. Minsan, sometimes, it's not really worth it na to fight for on something na hindi naman worthy or baka naman mali tayo. Yeah? Okay, that's also one I can sense here. Take responsibility. Whatever decision na gagawin mo rito, mukhang heavy ito. Okay? Mukhang heavy ito, Capricorn. Yeah, i-adapt nyo po. It's either a relationship challenge na sa husband, wife, spouse, or sa kaibigan, or sa community, or sa trabaho. There's always choices. Okay? Meron ka ipinaglaban, naniniwala ka rito, you are very passionate. Walang problema, Capricorn. Now, you are now in the crossroad of making a decision. Again, sometimes yung emotion can ano can kill the cat. Curiosity can kill the cat. Seven of Cups, there's illusion. Yeah? Minsan yung nakikita mo, hindi yun ang totoo. It's illusion. Okay. Ituloy natin. Ituloy natin. Okay. Advice para kay Capricorn. New Moon, January 18. What Capricorn needs to know. Okay. Give me blind spot. Blind spot, blind spot, blind spot. Yeah. Okay. Are you dealing with Leo? Very passionate. Okay. Capricorn Earth sign. Do your alchemy. Okay. Do your alchemy. May issue ba ka dito sa sa pagbuo ng bata? Yeah. Meron kang binubuo rito. Meron kang binubuo dito. You're passionate on something. I do not know what it is. Ano ba yung intention mo in the past na ginawa mo in the past? Okay. Okay. Passion, keep that passion alive. Kung ano man ito. May alchemy akong na ano dito, na nakikita. Okay, Queen of Wands is a magician din po yan. It's a magician. Okay. But I need to know kung ano itong gusto mong minanifest mo rito. Okay. Ituloy natin. Ituloy natin. Ituloy natin, Capricorn. You just manifested something here heavy. Heavy. This is heavy. Okay. Kaya ka nasa choices ngayon, decision. So, need to take responsibility kung ano man yan. Okay. Ituloy natin. Capricorn, Capricorn, January 18, New Moon. Okay. Blind spot, blind spot. Give me one blind spot. Blind spot, blind spot. Blind spot, blind spot, blind spot. Capricorn. Give me one blind spot. Blind spot, blind spot. Ano yung minanifest mo dito? At ano yung choices? Bakit ka nakikipagtalo? Okay? Okay. Napapagod ka. Understand yet? Yeah. Okay. Structure ng pamilya. You're fighting for that one. Yung structure ng buhay mo. You're fighting for that one. Is it work-related? There is help? Or you feel alone? Nine of Wands is a wounded warrior. Dinala mo ang problema niya. Sinuportahan mo sila. You're fighting for your dream. You're fighting for your life. You're fighting for your family. So in between siya ng Queen of Wands, which is fiery element, which all talking about the passion na you bring on the table. But you need to keep the balance, yung family needs at saka yung personal needs mo rin at the same time. And you have a choice. Okay, is this an issue with a third party or a relationship with somebody else? Okay, that's what I can pick it up because there's a choice here. Family needs or yung ambitious Capricorn na you want to be in control. Okay? You're having a choice here. Pula o berde. Okay? Ako o sila. Sino ang pipiliin ko na ibubuhos ko yung aking buong atensyon at pagmamahal. Yeah? Okay? Because choices, kapag nagkaroon tayo ng choices, is always a new beginning. Yes? Because pinili mo yung ganong direksyon. Gusto mo ng pula, it's a new beginning para sa pula. If it's green, it's a new beginning at yung pagmamahal mo, ipopokus mo sa berde. Ngayon, sino ito? Merong illusion dito, wala kang clarity ba? Or nadadala ka ng emosyon? Okay? Capricorn, earth sign, istruktura ka. Alam mo yan. Alam mo yung istruktura ng buhay. Pero, medyo sumobra yata dito. Okay. I-connect ko lang po sa new moon message. Okay, long-term goal, taking responsibility. I think you need to take responsibility here. Kasi yun ang mag-expand sa'yo. That would lead you to that new growth na sinasabi ng new moon. Walang right or wrong sa decision natin. Ano lang, tao lang po tayo. Maraming connection. Maraming variables. Tama po ba? So, but it will open you to new opportunity. Yung passion mo, career ito. Okay? I don't see any issue ng if you want conceiving, I can smell also conceiving a child or having a family. Okay? If that's an issue. Now, may third party. Yes? May third party ba? Okay? Kaya mamimili ka sa pula o sa berde. Third party, it doesn't mean na okay, siguro paraphrase ko. Third wheel. Minsan, yung career natin nagiging third wheel sa sitwasyon. Yeah? Because mas pina-prioritize natin yung pera. Walang problema. Yun ang istruktura. Ipinaglalaban natin yan kasi kailangan natin magbayad ng kuryente at magpaaral ng anak. Kung sa relationship to, merong something na nag-ignite ng passion mo. Okay? Nag-ignite. Parang Capricorn, subukan naman natin ito. Okay? Kaya ka nagkaroon ng choice. Okay? Nagkaroon na ka ng choices. Itong choices nito, hindi lang po ito halimbawa na may nakilala kang iba na nag-init ka or something, okay? Maaring merong ibang ino-offer na something na nag-caught ng iyong attention. Yeah? Okay, something new. Walang problema. Walang problema. Kumbaga sa meron ng mga bagong kotse ngayon na electric vehicle. Bakit ka naman sasakay ng kotseng mahalang gasolina? Okay? That's how it is. That's how it is. Kasama yan sa istruktura ng buhay. Hanapin natin. Okay. Mayroon pang gustong sabihin dito. Ano itong pinag-iisipan mo? New beginning. Walang problema. You're gonna have that. Okay. Blind spot. Blind spot. I want to see this. New growth. New growth. New growth opportunities. Mukhang alam mo yung gusto mong makuha dito, Capricorn. alam mo ito, niluto mo na ito ng matagal. Hindi ito something na ngayon lang bumagsak. Because you have two queens here. So queen, you cannot go to that level of being queen kung hindi ka dumaan sa proseso. Yeah? naging clerk ka, naging, supervisor, moving up to the ranking. So, there's a progression. Kaya ka napagod dito, 9 of 1. Yeah? And you keep still fighting. Gusto mo bang ituloy yung keep on fighting and fighting sa pula o sa berde at pakipagtalo? Yeah? Okay. But you have a new love here. So, sino ang pipiliin mo? Okay. Long-term goal, taking responsibility, prepare for new growth and opportunity. Give me blind spot. Blind spot, blind spot. Yeah. Okay. Gusto mo lang naman ng katahimikan. Sino ba nang ayaw? Again, you need to, you need to make a smart decision here. Yeah. Smart decision. Six of Sword, Headspace. Akala na pupunta tayo sa matahimik na lugar. Yeah. Okay? It doesn't mean na you're moving to the uncharted yung territory na ito. Yeah? Uncharted. May nasa illusion space ka. May illusion dito. May illusion. Okay. Kuha pa ako. May gustong sabihin para kay Capricorn. So, i-check mo, Capricorn, yung full moon reading. January 3, okay? This is the new moon on January 18. Baka meron kang ma-pick up. Okay. I need to get one more card. Okay, hindi sa yan. You're dealing with Leo. Okay. Okay. Capricorn, one more card, okay? Capricorn, one more card. One more card, Capricorn. Hindi, I do not know what is the 7 of Cups here. Ang dami mong pinagpipilian. Okay? Yeah, okay. Okay, ingat sa communication. Lumilitaw itong wands na naman. Okay, tingnan ko lang kung uulitin ng card yung ano. Okay, one card. Give me some clue. Bigyan mo pa ako ng one card, blind spot. 5 of 1. Over here, over there, ganito ang gawin natin. Puntahan mo tayo dito, samahan mo ako dito, bumili tayo dito, magtipid tayo, gumastos tayo, bam. All over the place, energy. Okay. One advice, one blind spot, one blind spot. One more. Capricorn. One lang. Give me one. Give me one card. Yeah? Okay. Okay, meron ka rin new beginning dito. Okay. Ang napipick up ko rito is relationship issue. And there's a third wheel. Now, something you were caught in a situation. You were caught in a situation here. Ito ba yung matamis ang matamis ang pinagbabawal? Okay? Hindi lang relationship na pasabi natin na how do you call it? Married life or yung mas kana yung boyfriend girlfriend tipo, okay? There's curiosity, there's element of na-bore ka. Yeah? 9 of 1 is boring also. Yeah? Napagod ka, you've been doing that routine. You work hard, no problem. And you see something na na-stress ka sa routine na ginagawa, and then nag-party ka, etc. And then you met somebody, nagkaroon ng connection, fiery, because you're not used to it. Nagkaroon ka ng excitement, as simple as that. And you suddenly asking question kasi may hangover ka. Yeah, hangover yan. And then you just wake up na, masarap pala. Okay? Are you going to that direction, sa pula o sa berde? Either way, it's a new beginning. Yes, it's a new beginning. Take responsibility. It's always a new beginning. Yeah? Pera, walang problema. New beginning. Struktura, new beginning. Win-win ka rito. Win-win ka Capricorn kasi I see a matured Capricorn here. Alam mo yung three dimension ng buhay. Hindi bago sa ito. Hindi bago sa ito. Okay. Kuha pa ako na isa. I just want to see the i-close bago ko i-close ito. Kung uulitin lang nung card yung sinasabi ko. Okay. Outcome. 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 Okay? Tinabaho mo yun. Mukhang 7 months o 7 years na nangyayari ito. Yes? Kung ano po ito, when I say relationship, it can be also work-related. Yeah? Ito yung tipong nagmo-moonlighting. You know, meron kang pagkakitaan din sa ibang kumpanya na halimbawa, supplier ninyo na meron kang commission, you know, something like to that effect. So, yung loyalty, nawala. Nawala yung loyalty. Nawala yung loyalty. And this is happening and growing and nurturing and happening for quite a while now. Okay, yeah. Okay. The Magician. Infinite possibility. Ngayon, commonality, long-term goal, New Moon, January 18, ulitin ko lang po yung i-connect ko siya dun sa message. So, taking responsibility. The whole scenario here, you need to own that. You need to take responsibility kung ano yung pros and cons nito. There is a pros and cons. Okay? So, yung decision natin, may effect yan. There will be effect. Okay? Prepare for new growth. If this is what you like in your life, Capricorn, no problem. Kasi you're happy there. You getting more money. Yeah? Medyo masalimuot nga lang kasi nagtatago ka or you're in the illusion of it's a happy thing. Yeah, it's a happy space. Yes, for you. Okay? For you. Ngayon, you need to choose one way or the other. It's either sa pula o sa berde. Now, you have the Magician here. Infinite possibilities, nothing is impossible. Now, there is a cure. Meron daw may cure. Yes? Ano yung cure na yun? It's up to you to decide. But there is a cure. Okay? Curious lang ako dito sa Capricorn na to. Ano itong settings na ito? The cure, ang gamot daw ay nasa kamay mo. Yes? Nasa kamay mo, ikaw ang makapagdedesisyon yan. Sa pula o sa berde, it will make you happy and grow as well. Financial stability, structure, you're gonna get that. Sa pula o sa berde, abundance, okay? If you thinking na yung decision mo in between, hindi ko alam kung sino itong pinagpipilian mo. Hindi ko alam. The answer also ay sagot ay nasa palad mo rin. Infinite possibility, nothing is impossible. You have all the tools. You have all the tools, work setting, or relationship setting, or nagsisimula ka pa lang sa relationship mo, but the new moon, ang message niya, you need to decide on this one. Kasi you need to take responsibility, whatever the outcome here, okay? Long-term goal, you set your long-term goal to prior, before January 18, to fix this issue. Kasi meron ditong 5 of 1. I'm not gonna sugarcoat. This is heavy fighting. Okay? You might um you might give up one way or the other. You are in the brink of giving up. Yes? Yeah, you are in the brink of giving up. Prepare for new growth, you choose. Kasi hawak mo sa kamay mo yung responsibility, and you will the one who, ikaw yung hari, ikaw yung maglilid, ikaw yung mamumuno. Nasa kamay mo at nasa palad mo ang resulta na hinahanap mo for your happiness and for your success and abundance. Yeah? Okay. So, no judgment po. Free will. Free will. Free will. Okay. One moon oracle para sa Capricorn na nasa harapan ko. Curious lang ako, ano itong situation na ito? Okay? There is a choice between sa pula at sa berde, Virgo. Okay? Sino si Virgo sa buhay mo? Okay? Another earth sign. Wisdom, okay? Issues surrounding health and exercise may come to the fore. Focus on your physical well-being. Okay. Okay, hindi ko na pick up yan. If there's an issue about health, okay, am I seeing issue on fertility here? That's health. Conceiving, that's the most Yeah, conceiving. Because the Ace of Pentacle in Tarot is about ovulation and fertility, lalo sa kababaihan po. Okay? So Virgo, physical health and well-being. So focus on that one. Sabi sa'yo, Capricorn, if you're dealing with Virgo. Okay? Again, you have the structure, reward, new beginning, money coming, okay? Or a new child, a new love, happiness, pero mamimili ka sa pula o sa puti. There's a choice here. I do not know what it is, but infinite possibility. Wala pong judgment. It's free choice. You're gonna have that. So, yeah. Okay. So, sana nag-enjoy ka, Capricorn. Salamat po. See you again.